Hello friends, today I wanted to show you how to install hardwire for radar detector for Tesla S model. Unfortunately I checked a lot of video on YouTube, but I couldn't find good clean job how to install hardwire radar detector. But my recommendation to you, just do not touch to this panel, I mean front camera, facing camera. No, don't touch to here, because unfortunately mirror block to open the cover, that camera cover. Unfortunately it's very difficult, but the easiest and clean way, you have to run the wire from here and down to here and remove this panel and put the wire underneath and come down. Okay, and you can see, and you have this panel. Okay, this panel is not the same as other cars. I mean, you have two screws. These are the screws, two, left, right. You have to remove the screws, two screws to remove this panel. Okay, because you have the clips here. First you have to remove that deep screws, and after that you have to push and bring down, as you see. But this panel is a little bit difficult, but just with plastic tool you have to remove. These are okay, these are the hanger. You have to remove the hanger. It's very tight, but just it's better to remove these are. Okay, as you seen. Okay, now I just wanted to cut the to make a hole to run the wire from here or this section, but it's ugly job, make damage. But this is the best. I just find it after a few hours. You have to run the wire from here. You have a space. Okay, you have hole. Do you see that? You have a gap. You can run the wire. Do you see? From here you don't need to cut or make a hole anything around here. Easily you can connect to here. Okay, this is the best clean job. You can do something else, but my recommendation, just do this. Do you see? It's working now. That's all. I mean, you don't need to cut anything or remove this panel. This panel I removed the screws, but unfortunately it's very tight. Maybe make damage or carbon fiber get cracked. That's why don't touch to here. Okay, you don't need to run the wire from this side, because if you run the wire from this side, it's not closing and opening. Okay, because this is the rail, should be empty of anything. This is the best clean installation, as you see. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.